Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best garage door insulation is probably one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and noise reduction. In this video, we will review the top-rated garage door insulation panel kits on the market, comparing their features, ease of installation, and overall value to help you choose the perfect kit for your needs and budget, ultimately transforming your garage into a more comfortable and energy-efficient space. Number 5. 3009 Garage Door Insulation Kit. It efficiently blocks up to 95% of radiant heat. This significantly improves your home's energy efficiency and lowers your energy bills. It boasts 2 layers of 532-inch barrier bubble laminated between 2 layers of reflective polyethylene. This ensures more consistent R values for superior insulation. It requires no maintenance and is easy to install. The pre-cut panels mean you won't need any special tools or protective clothing. Everything you need is included: 8 reach barrier bubble insulation panels, adhesive tape, a cleaning sponge, and easy-to-follow instructions. With its simple design and included instructions, installing it is a breeze. Enjoy a warmer garage and lower energy costs in no time. It's a simple and effective way to reduce your energy consumption and save money on your utility bills. Start enjoying the benefits today. What we like. It efficiently blocks radiant heat and provides superior insulation quality. The installation is easy and requires no special tools. If you're looking for effective insulation with a simple installation process, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. First, one box covers a single car garage door. For my project I needed 2 boxes for a 7-foot HX16W door. Second, each panel in the reach barrier kit is 24x48. There's enough product to do 16, 24x24 panels per box. The panels trim neatly and easily with a box cutter. The insulation is good quality, but prepare to cut it to shape of your door frame if you plan on attaching it to the outer metal frame instead of the panels themselves. Number 4. NASATECH Garage Door Kit. This kit provides superior insulation for your garage, keeping it comfortable year-round. It's easy to install and comes with everything you need. It boasts an R value of 8.0, significantly reducing heat transfer. This means lower energy bills and a more comfortable garage. Made with high-quality, reflective foam core, it's waterproof, weatherproof, and built to last. It's designed to withstand the elements. The kit includes everything you need for a smooth installation: heavy-duty tape, razor, squeegee, and clear instructions. Installation is a breeze. It's proudly made in the USA and meets all US and international fire codes. You can trust in its quality and safety. It's a best-selling kit on Amazon, and we offer 7-day customer support if you need help with installation. We're here to help. What we like. It's made in the USA and boasts an impressive R value of 8.0, ensuring superior energy efficiency. The heavy-duty double-sided tape makes installation a breeze. If you prioritize quality and ease of installation, this kit is for you. What people say. It was easy to install. Looks great and the garage is so much cooler. Before I installed this, the heat from the afternoon sun shining on the garage door would burn my hand. Now that this is installed, I can touch the door and feel almost no warmth on the door. Came on time, was packaged well, and even if there is a couple degrees reduction in the summer, and it tends to keep the warmth in during the winter, then it did its job. I have noticed a change in the temperature with the southern sun exposure beating in. Also I noticed that on humid days, it's not as bad as it was before, and there has been a reduction of that humidity since I put it up. Insulation rolls for the panels are great, however the 2-sided tape included for the installation is not as strong. The insulation started separating from the tape after day 3. My garage gets all the afternoon sun until it sets. Certainly took the temperature down, making it manageable during 90 to 100 temps versus being a sweat box, so I'm pleased. So pleased I added a ceiling fan to the garage. Was also able to tell a difference during the winter months of the bedroom over the garage. Definitely warmer and a game changer for me. Performance of material is great. Easy to cut to fit. Number 3. Matador Garage Door Insulation Kit. This kit provides a simple solution to insulate your garage door, saving you money on energy bills. It's designed for easy installation, no special tools required. Installation is a breeze. It's so simple, you can complete it in just 3 steps. No need for any tapes, glues, or pins. It's designed to fit most standard 8-foot and 9-foot garage doors. It works with the existing framework, making it a perfect fit for your home. The panels are pre-scored for effortless installation. No special tools are needed, making this a DIY-friendly project. It includes 8 durable, high-impact polystyrene laminate panels. These panels are 23.25 inches high, 54 inches wide, and 1.25 inches thick, providing excellent insulation. Remember, it's designed to fit into the existing framework of a standard garage door, not an aftermarket hurricane brace. Ensure compatibility before installation. What we like. Installation is a snap with its 3 easy steps, no tapes, glues, or pins are needed. It fits most standard garage doors. If you value a quick and hassle-free installation, this is the ideal solution. What people say. It works amazingly, easy to install, minus the slight mess made when you cut these to size. Much easier to install than hundreds of foam plate. The Matador product differed from the cello foam in 2 ways. First, it seemed to bend easier for installation. Secondly, the Matador product had a slightly wider vinyl face. Using a temperature reading gun before finishing, I saw about a 6-degree difference between the insulated and uninsulated panels on the door. It's exactly the same as the insulation on my old garage door that was installed by the manufacturer. It was easy to cut to size and installing it was pretty easy. It made an instant difference in the garage once it was installed. Number 2. NASATECH Garage Door Kit. This kit provides superior insulation for your garage. It's designed to significantly reduce energy costs and improve comfort. It's made with high-quality, reflective foam core for maximum efficiency. You can trust in its superior construction and performance. Installation is quick and easy thanks to the new and improved double-sided tape. It's designed for a secure and long-lasting fit. It's the ideal size for most 2-car garages, measuring 16 feet wide and 8 feet high. It also fits 16 feet wide by 7 feet high garages. It boasts an impressive R value of 8.0, providing excellent insulation. This means significant energy savings and a more comfortable garage. Transform your garage into a more comfortable and energy-efficient space. Order yours now. What we like. Made in the USA, it offers an impressive R value of 8.0 for superior energy savings. The improved heavy-duty tape ensures a secure and long-lasting installation. If you value American-made quality and a secure fit, this is the kit for you. What people say. The kit included everything that you will need to install the kit: foam rolls, double-sided tape, disposable razor knife and a squeegee. The panels themselves are top-notch quality, easy to work with, cut, and manipulate into spaces around my door hardware. Once the panels are pressed into place, I don't see any issue with them staying there. The tape provided has a very firm grip. Number 1. NASATECH 2-Car Garage Door Insulation Kit. This kit is designed to significantly improve your garage's energy efficiency. It's easy to install and won't affect your garage door's operation. It creates an air pocket to achieve an impressive R8 insulation rating, keeping your garage warmer in winter and cooler in summer. This helps you save on energy costs. Featuring a super heavy-duty double-sided foam tape, installation is a breeze. It's lightweight and won't impact your garage door's performance. At 5/16-inch thick, it's the thickest reflective foam core insulation on the market, providing superior performance compared to thinner alternatives. It provides a clean, finished look and is made with non-toxic, non-carcinogenic, and non-fiberglass materials for a safe and healthy environment. This kit is conveniently pre-cut to fit most 16-panel, 2-car garage doors, making installation even simpler. What we like. It features an R8 insulation value and is equipped with super heavy-duty double-sided tape for a secure fit. It also has the thickest reflective foam core on the market. If you need maximum insulation and durability, this kit is your best bet. What people say. Much more efficient and looks better. We completed the installation, with my wife helping, in about 5 hours. Easy to follow instructions and included everything. The quality of the material is outstanding, and it's clear that this is a durable and long-lasting solution. The reflective surface is not only effective in insulating, but it also brightens up the space, creating a cozy environment overall. This product is easy to install. I did it myself. Yes, I am a woman, alone, and it took me about 3h in total for a 2-car garage, about 16-foot wife door. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.